Hey everybody, Hugh Brownstone for Three Blind Men and an Elephant. I am so sorry. I am underwater. Glub glub. That's me being underwater. I know I owe you a G9 review. Right now, what I can give you, slow motion on the G9 compared to a couple of interesting cameras. Here we go. A lot more work to do. I know. It's not apples to apples. I know. I want it to be too. It's very hard to get all of the cameras with all of the glass in the same place at the same time. Not an excuse, but an explanation. Tell me what you think in the comments section below. Bye.